So I have to constantly be trying to fix these, but they don't stay in line, as you can see. I'm constantly trying to fix them. And even when you fix them, the next one will move and they never look organized. These cans will stay nice, but the rest, like these sometimes move, and then this is very kind of weak plastic. So I'm gonna exchange it and get a different brand in hopes that that will help.
This thing is so cool. It's so easy for organizing. You just take your drink out, and then filling it is easy. You just push them back one by one. One thing to note is that it does get stuck sometimes with like larger bottles or plastic, but if you kind of help it forward, sometimes it'll pop out. Also, I'm wondering if WD-40 will help, so I'm gonna try that. But overall, I love how easy it is to organize this space and keep all of your drinks nice and cold.
Just doesn't sit right. That's kind of how it is with these two.